Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my take on Latina makeup. I am obsessed with this trend, so let's get started. For skin prep, I'm using Skin 104 Centella Ampoule. If you're oily skin, this under makeup is excellent. Using PAC eyebrow pomade to line my eyebrows, and now taking the black shade from Mars eyebrow palette to fill up any gaps. Defining my brows using a concealer, as we have to make brows look a bit dominant in this look. Now we have to go for full matte look, and for that I'm taking a full coverage foundation by the brand Forever 52 in the shade Honey. As Latinas have harsh contouring, so for that I'm taking Huda Beauty Tattoo. Blending everything out. For under eyes highlight, I'm using a lighter shade of concealer, applying on the bridge of my nose and under the contour on cheeks to get those chiseled cheeks. Now setting everything up with Mars banana powder. And if you're oily skin type, I will highly suggest this powder. Bronzing my face with a bronzer from Forever 52 brand. It's in the shade medium. Taking Huda Beauty Empowered Palette's shade Power and Legacy, I will apply it all over my eyelid. Latinas don't do much with the eyeshadow for this look, of course. Now taking a lighter shade Get It and applying it on the inner side of my eyes. This is Sugar Cosmetics eyeliner in Black Swan, and for highly sensitive eyes, this is the best. Look at that jet black shade, love it. Mascara is a must because we are going to apply false lashes, and this is my favorite mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl. A little bit of blush. To my favorite part, highlighting. I love this highlighter so much, and this is from the brand Benefit in the shade Tickle. Not forgetting those inner highlights as it makes a huge difference in the eye look. Let's tone it down a little. Removing the lip balm from my lips. Using a dark cool toned brown shade liner to define my lips, and for that I'm using Swiss Beauty liner in the shade Dark Chocolate. For those gradient ombre lips, a lighter lip shade from the brand Love Earth in the shade Citrus Cosmo. I think I'll go with another lighter shade. This looks fine. Latina makeup is incomplete without those dramatic lashes, and for that I'm using PAC Mink lashes in M75. And this is my final look. Hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.